Hello, Internet, and welcome to this last attempt at the PacLock 90A for a while. Because I'm about to pack up all my locks. And I know my skills are going to slip to at least some extent again. So I'm going to have to work my way back up to these guys. That said, I still haven't gotten them unlocked. So, hope you will enjoy this final attempt before I pack life up. Once again, I'm going to use my pick it upside down approach, which I've gotten the closest with, and using a basic hook versus the offset hybrid I default to. Doesn't feel like it wants to cooperate at all today. I need to regrip this. Maybe when I come back to this after my relocation, I should throw this into my vise. Oh, that's 6, and feels like 5, 3, and 2, so that leaves 4 and 1 actually to set, hopefully. No, I've lost 3. Keep getting close with these guys. It's always like the last 2 pins that elude me. And I'm at that point. Okay, I've got 4 reset. Because that's what happens with these. As I try to work the 2 pins that don't set and adjusting the various tension, I'll lose pins. I'll have to go back and reset them. It's first pin today. First pin just will not play ball with me at all. Alright, so first pin will actuate. Alright, I'm going to call this attempt, because the first pin is not cooperating with me at all today. I believe I had all 5 of the other ones set at one point or another, but the first pin is just not cooperating at all. So, until next time, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.